There is a wide range of 5 best circular saws in 2025, each offering unique features. To help you make an informed decision, I have conducted thorough research and analyzed numerous reviews to compile a list. Please check the links in the description. So, without any delay, let's proceed to the video. Number 1. Skill SPT77WML-01. The skill saw SPT77WML-01, a 15-amp, 714-inch worm drive saw that's built for pros and DIY enthusiasts alike. Weighing in as the lightest in its class, the magnesium construction of the skill saw reduces user fatigue, letting you work longer without slowing down. Whether you're building, renovating, or tackling a new project, this saw's ergonomic design ensures comfort on every cut. Need accuracy? The cut-ready depth of cut system allows for quick and precise depth adjustments, ensuring perfect results every time. The skill saw also features a 53-degree bevel, giving you the versatility to handle a wider range of cuts with ease. With 15 amps of power, it's engineered to rip through more lumber faster, saving you time on the job. And with its anti-snag lower guard, the skill saw ensures smooth operation, even on small cutoff pieces. Number 2. Skill 528001. The Skill 15 Amp 7, 1/4-inch circular saw with single-beam laser guide. The perfect tool for precision, power, and ease. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor, this circular saw delivers an impressive 5,300 RPM, ensuring fast, smooth cuts through wood, plywood, and other materials. Equipped with a 7/1/4-inch carbide-tipped blade, the skill saw offers durability and sharpness for long-lasting performance. The convenient spindle lock makes blade changes quick and easy. With a 51-degree bevel capacity and a positive stop at 45 degrees, it offers versatile cutting angles to tackle a wide range of projects, from framing to fine woodworking. The built-in dust blower keeps your cutting line clear of sawdust, enhancing visibility and helping you work with greater precision. Safety is a top priority. The skill saw features a safety lock and a guarded trigger, along with a power-on indicator to prevent accidental starts. Number 3. DeWalt DWE575SB. The DeWalt 7, 1/4-inch circular saw, your go-to power tool for precision and durability on the job site. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, this saw has everything you need for tough, accurate cuts. At just 8.8 lbs, the DeWalt circular saw is one of the lightest in its class, making it easy to handle for extended use without sacrificing power. The 15-amp motor is built to tackle even the toughest materials. With a 57-degree beveling capacity and stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, this saw gives you versatile cutting angles. Plus, its depth of cut capacity of 2 9/16 inches ensures you can handle thick materials with ease. Need precision? The durable, high-grade aluminum smooth base provides a stable, accurate cutting surface, and the ball-bearing lower guard ensures long-lasting performance, even in harsh environments. Bevel cuts and shimming are a breeze with the innovative lower guard design, while the integrated dust blower keeps your line of sight clear. Plus, DeWalt's patented tough cord protection system offers 3 times more durability against cord pullout. Number 4. Makita Hypoid 5477NB. The Makita 5477NB7, 1/4 hypoid saw stands out. Designed for professional woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts, this saw packs a punch with its innovative features. What sets the Makita 5477NB apart is its hypoid gears. These high-quality gears deliver more power and greater surface contact than conventional worm drive gears, giving you smoother, more efficient cuts every time. Equipped with a 15 amp motor, the 5477NB ensures increased productivity. It handles tough tasks effortlessly, cutting through wood with power and precision. Thanks to its oil bath technology and sealed gear housing, maintenance is kept to a minimum, allowing you to focus on your projects without interruption. The saw's 0-degree D to 51.5-degree bevel capacity, with positive stops at 45-degree and 51.5-degree, makes it perfect for truss and rafter cutouts. Plus, its heat-treated hypoid gears ensure long-lasting performance. Number 5. Craftsman CMES 500. The Craftsman circular saw is built to deliver. With a 7/1/4-inch blade and a robust 13-amp motor, this saw makes light work of tough tasks. Equipped with a high-performance motor that runs at an impressive 5,300 RPM, the Craftsman circular saw cuts through wood with speed and precision. Whether you're making quick cuts for a project or handling larger tasks, this saw ensures efficiency every time. The 7/1/4-inch, 18-tooth carbide-tipped blade enhances cutting performance, providing smoother, more accurate results. Whether you're cutting through soft wood or hardwood, you'll notice the difference in performance. Blade changes are a breeze with the convenient spindle lock, allowing you to swap out blades quickly and easily for maximum uptime. For precision cuts, the 45-degree bevel capacity ensures accurate angle cuts, giving you clean results every time. And with its contoured, over-molded handle, this saw provides extra comfort, reducing hand strain during long sessions. Power, precision, and comfort. The Craftsman circular saw is ready to take your projects to the next level.